free food and drinks to those in need. I mean, look at that, there's everything in that. There's bread, mix, rice, pet food, everything. I mean, this is the sort of thing that restores my faith in humanity sometimes. Well done, whoever left this. It's just at a bus stop for anyone to help himself. You know, makes you feel quite emotional. Looks like someone has had a go at building a little bit of a shelter here, although there is someone really small or a child. Hello folks, thanks for joining us. Thought we'd take a walk out in the woods today. A few weeks ago it was actually our 6th wedding anniversary, but because of lockdown we couldn't even get out to go anywhere, so we decided we'll hold our fire, and the first chance we get when lockdown gets lifted, we'll get ourselves out and make ourselves a spot of lunch in the woods. As you can see, most of this little tab we did today was all on public footpaths. We just deviated it off a little bit to find a nice peaceful spot in the woods, where we're going to just spend a couple of hours resetting our compass back to true north. It's been really tough this last lockdown. I think the one that we did last year, the first one that we did, everyone was enthusiastic, keen, let's just get on with it, get through it. This one I've noticed it has been tedious. It's a case of, is it ever going to end? And for those of us like ourselves who just love the outdoors, it's been absolutely, well, better not say the word on camera, but it seems to be getting better now. Hopefully with these vaccines rolling out, things will get back to normal. We'll get back to going camping, getting the bikes out and living again. It's almost like, if you look back, it's almost nearly a year of your life has been spent doing nothing. So got a lot of catching up to do, a lot of off the beaten track stuff to do. Hopefully a lot more videos this year. Yeah, looking forward to it. Just thought I'd leave Carrie reading her Kindle, playing with her phone, and come for a little bit of a wander, drink my brew, and have a look for some potential overnight wild camping spots. Carrie's not really into that at the minute. She's more of a tent sort of person. Who knows, I might convince her. But here's ideal. There's so many spots. You just stick up a little tarp, or as we used to call it in the army, a bivvy. Get your little gas cooker, spend the night out under the stars, listening to the wildlife. Yeah. For me, life doesn't get any better than this. And to be absolutely honest, right, folks, we don't live in the middle of the country side. We're in a town. We had to walk along the side of dual carriageway to pick up this public footpath. You know, we found it one day, went out and explored, and that's what you can do yourself. Like, don't be the person that sits indoors thinking, I wish I could somewhere like that nearby. You'll be surprised. You only need to walk a couple of miles, and you could find yourself your own little spot. As I said, this is perfect. You just need to get out, immerse yourself in the nature. There's no cars, no traffic, no mobile phones ringing, just the sound of the birds. We've got the little brook behind us. Absolutely perfect, and it's what you need after a week at work, after this year that we've all had. We just need to get out and reset our compasses back to true north. Anyway, I'm going to head back, see what Gary's up to, and make a bit of lunch. Nothing special today, just cooking a couple of steak baguettes on the little gas cooker. But we have got a bottle of bubbly to celebrate our wedding anniversary, which was a few weeks back. Number 6 it was, 6 years a slave. It was iron for this one, so I was tempted to buy her new Morphe Richards, but in the end I got her I got us a couple of little Dutch ovens, really miniature ones, just for doing individual pies in. Right.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving, it's got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life. Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. Yeah, you and I as one will always be better than two.
This wood's absolutely teeming with silver birch. There's loads of it scattered around where it's obviously come down, it's died, fallen over. The bark on this stuff is absolutely fantastic for kindling, for lighting your fire. So while I'm here, I'm going to take the opportunity to help myself to a little bit. Look at that, that's nature's very own fire lighters. Won't be using it today. Today I'm just cooking on the little gas stove, but hopefully in future I'll get to show you, well, I'll get to try and light a fire with it. Cheers folks, nothing better than getting in, getting changed and getting a pint of homebrew. This is Young's Amber Ale, absolutely spot on, really nice and refreshing. Hope you enjoyed the video today. The idea behind doing these videos is to try and encourage everyone to get outdoors, immerse yourself a bit in nature, and yeah, just get out. Doesn't have to be all day. I mean, we left the house about 9:30, 10 this morning and we got back in about 4, so we were out all day. Yeah, granted we did stop and cook something, but you don't need to do that. Get out for an hour, couple of hours, do a couple of miles, stop, take take stock of all the surroundings and nature, listen to the birds for a little bit. That's what it's all about. If just one person sees this video and decides to themselves, I'm not going to watch the TV today, I'm going to get myself out, then yeah, video being a success. So you know the drill, folks. Like and subscribe. I'll hopefully be uploading more stuff soon. Hopefully, get fingers crossed, get ourselves out on the bikes. We seem to be doing pretty well. This lockdown's been lifted. Hope things are starting to open up again. Hoping to get a bit of camping done. Yeah, get out, enjoy yourself. So like, subscribe, drop us a comment, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.